Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT Get Into Technology, and in this video I want to take you in and show you something I found on Facebook on my iPhone XS Max, and it's a heart and it shows halfway through or 3/4. I'm going to take you in and show you what I'm talking about, and it's something to do with dating on Facebook. So this is part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, you want to watch that first, so stay tuned. I'm going to take you in and show you how the profile turned out and looks, as all the pictures are showing on Facebook now, so that you'll be able to see the full picture. A preview. So we're just going to go in and go under here and go under my wall and up top right. Also, you see the heart on the top right, but if you look down towards the bottom, it's on the left side of the bell as well. So you can click either one. I would click the top. And here we are in here, and it says, who are you interested in seeing? You can set preferences. I haven't done that yet. Dating profile. If you create a dating profile, you will click up on the left hand side under dating profile, and then this just gives you you can come in here and change things. You can add photos, you can add questions. You can fill a description in. I had a description, I guess I didn't save it. And then different things here as well. You go to the top right and you click on preview, and this is what it gives you. I haven't filled in too much because I'm going to delete this. So I'm not really looking to have a profile on here. But I just wanted to just show you what this looks like, or what it could look like for you if you want to get a dating profile going on Facebook. Okay, and then we're back out of here. We're going to click done on the top left. You can click on like you in the center. Nobody liked me right now because I haven't been on here that long. So those people will land there. Click the arrow at the top left. And then conversations. Well, you can click conversations, but there's no conversations going on right now because I had just filled that out. And so we'll back out of there. Secret. And you can add a secret crush. Match with Facebook friends and dating. And then set preferences. You can click set preferences. And you can come in here and change privacy settings, notifications, pause, matches. You can delete profile. You can go age range from 41 to 57. Children open to any. You can change that. Height. Put a preference of height in there. Girl should be at least 5'4". To about 5'10". You can change it to whatever you prefer. And you can click on interested in, well, women. And then you can put in the distance. You can just put your finger on there and slide that back and forth. This will allow you to set the range of distance to so you can view these people. Put 85, 84, and save. And then top left, click the little arrow, and then you put your preferences in there. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that very quickly. Have some fun with this if this is something you want to do. If you're married on Facebook, I understand that you will not see the dating heart on your profile up on the right hand side or down beside the bell. You will not see that if you're married on Facebook, but if you're single, you will see that. And if you want to have some fun and meet some people, then you can click on that and create a profile. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology by subscribing to this channel. It's down on the right side of this video, just below. And you also want to click on the bell notification, and any new videos that are coming out, you'll be notified, and you will able to continue on with your learning. And we have new videos coming out all the time. After watching the video, scroll down and you'll see the thumbs up. Just click on the thumbs up and let us know that you liked the video. And if you want more information on GIT Get Into Technology, you can click on more and you can scroll down here. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you continue on. Please leave us a comment on what you thought about the video, how it helped you move forward, and what problem it solved. And you can just left click and then type your message in here and come over to the far right side and click on comment. If you have any questions regarding what you watched today, or you need help with something, please leave a question inside the comment section and we will answer it for you. So stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology. Remember to subscribe to GIT Get Into Technology and click the bell notification down on the right side and make sure the lines are above the bell to get notified of new videos coming out, and click above to watch the latest vid.